many heat will be liberated if 8 grams of hydrogen bonds in excess oxygen? How many heat will be liberated if 8 grams of hydrogen bonds in excess oxygen? So we are looking for the amount of heat that will be liberated from 8 grams of hydrogen. We are looking for the amount of heat that will be liberated from 8 grams of hydrogen. So now we are going to say 8 grams of hydrogen gas equivalent to the amount of heat liberated. So we don't know the amount of heat liberated from these 8 grams of hydrogen. Now we are going to come back to our equation of the reaction. Let's come back to this equation. How many moles of hydrogen do we have? We have 2 moles of hydrogen gas. We have 2 moles of hydrogen gas equivalent to, then they've given us the heat content. This is the heat content of this chemical reaction. So the heat content, the heat liberated by these 2 moles of hydrogen gas equal to this. Heat liberated by these 2 moles of hydrogen gas equal to minus 571.7 kilojoule. Now, we are now looking for what? We are looking for the amount of heat liberated by 8 grams. We are looking for the amount of heat liberated by 8 grams. Then when you look at this side, this one is in grams, while this one is in mole. You have to equivalent the units. You have to equivalent the units you have here and here. So you convert these 2 moles of hydrogen gas to mass in gram. You are going to convert these 2 moles of hydrogen to mass in gram. Then let's calculate the mass of hydrogen gas. The mass of hydrogen gas. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? The mass of one hydrogen equal to 1. Atomic mass of hydrogen equal to 1. So that will be 1 times. Then how many hydrogen do we have? That is 2. So 1 times 2 will give us 2 grams. That is 1 mole of hydrogen will give us 2 grams. Then 2 moles of hydrogen will now give us what? That will be 2 times 2. This 2 times 2, because 1 mole equal to 2 grams. So 2 moles will be 2 times 2 grams. Will give us 4 grams. So 4 grams of hydrogen gas equal to minus 571.7 kilojoule. So therefore, 8 grams of hydrogen will now be equal to unknown heat content. We don't know heat content equivalent to this 8 grams equal to unknown heat content. Then we make this heat content the subject of the formula. So we cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you have delta H will be equal to 8 multiplied by this. 8 times minus 571.7, then divided by 4. So what is our final answer? Are you with me, learners? You guys are not tapping. Learners, are you with me? If you are with your calculator, you can solve along with me. If you are with your calculator, you can solve along with me. So what is the final answer? 8 times minus 571.7. Then divided by, what is the final answer if you are with me? Divided by 4. So what is our final answer? The final answer is minus 114 minus 1143.4. So the final answer is minus 113.4 kilojoule.